Hi, this is Preston James, author of The 1% Solution, the guide I like to say shows you how to buy low and how to sell high. I don't think that's ever been more important than right now. And in this video, you're going to see why it's been so frustrating and so overcomplicated on how to make money out there in the stock market. So buckle up, sit back, and enjoy. Well, here's the independent investor's dilemma. This is what it's really like. This is a snapshot of the reality facing today's independent investor. Now, by studying and applying the powerful concepts that I'm going to reveal to you, you will bypass most of this mess and finally make money as a confident, in-control investor. Now, first things first, you became a trader to gain freedom. After meeting, speaking, teaching, working, and hanging out with thousands of aspiring traders spanning now 2 decades and from all walks of life, I can unequivocally say the number one factor drawing people into investing and trading their own money is the freedom it can provide them. I see trading as the last path to true freedom left on the planet. In trading, there's no political correctness, no employees, bosses, traffic jams, human resource department nightmares, surprise government regulations, or being legislated out of business with the swoop of a pen. There are no letters from workforce services, forums, rumors, meetings, backstabbing, BSers trying to climb the ladder, or the indignity of suffering the smell of somebody nuking leftover fish in the break room microwave. There's no standing in line, credit card merchant account nightmares, inventory, refunds, complaints, loans, banks squeezing down your credit line, lawyers, lawsuit BS, and I could go on for another hour talking about all the headaches in traditional business. My point is clear. You became a trader because you wanted freedom in some form or fashion. Today there's an added freedom layer too. Call it the icing on the cake, which is the ability to now conduct your business from literally anywhere in the world. With the wireless world covering more and more spaces, the world is opening up its doors like no other time in history. This is called freedom to roam. In general, there's never been a better time to be in business as an investor or trader. For one, commissions are an all-time low and continue to drop due to the fierce online competition. 2, computers are getting cheaper and faster by the day. 3, the internet experience is everywhere. Cloud computing is on the horizon and it's lightning fast. The price to access the online world is next to insignificant. And lastly, trade integrity has never been faster or smoother. Things like filling, canceling, and replacing orders. And this is all very important. This is part of the business you're going to be in. What's more, placing contingent orders such as one cancels the other or one triggers another is like having a full-time staff of people at your beck and call, specifically obeying what you want to do, even if you decide to check out for the rest of the day and do something else. And it's all free and at the touch of a button. Now, if you haven't sat down lately and really thought about all of this, you should. There is massive, unlimited, the world is your oyster kind of opportunity out there. Yet, investors and traders struggle like never before. Not many move ahead with any meaningful kind of results. And that's one of the reasons why I went to work and created this 1% solution guide. It's the result of many thousands of trades and years of getting to know the right people, and it can change your life overnight. What's here is tried, true, and proven. What I'm about to reveal is my personal Bible of trading success. I use it all, and it makes me money. A lot of it. And if you'll put it to work, it can seriously change your life. Let's start by asking a few questions, and ask these to yourself as I read them. Can you survive if the stock market doesn't bounce back this time or goes through another lost decade like it did from 2000 to 2010? Will your nest egg kick off the income you're planning on even if your nest egg is beyond cracked? How will you invest your money if the recession slogs on for 4 more years, complete with back-breaking government debt and chronic unemployment? Is it realistic to consistently bank bigger returns than professional money managers? Are you still not sure what makes a good investment? Trusting yourself, what to buy, how long to hang on to it, and when to sell? Does wealth disappear from the economy and financial markets, or does it simply change hands? And have you already spent a small fortune on stock market education only to see it all go nowhere? Now, these are important questions, and they're all part of what the 1% solution answers head on. And this is exciting. You're about to discover what's been responsible for hundreds of millions of dollars in profits by only a handful of people.